discover the desert secret. In a vast, golden desert, there was a small oasis where Chiku lived, surrounded by endless dunes and a bright blue sky. Chiku had big, shiny eyes, soft white fur, and long ears, and he always dreamed of discovering new and exciting things in the desert. One morning, Chiku found an old, shiny compass half buried in the sand, and as soon as he picked it up, the compass started glowing with a bright, pulsing light. The compass needle pointed towards the oldest dunes in the desert, and Chiku felt a surge of excitement and curiosity about what could be hidden there. Chiku put on his small backpack, filled with water, food, and a map, and set out on an adventure to explore the unknown and uncover the secrets of the desert. Along the way, Chiku met his friends Mimi the squirrel, Toto the turtle, and Piku the parrot, who were all eager to join him on his exciting journey and share in the discovery. The four friends began their journey through the golden dunes, facing strong winds, sandstorms, and slippery sand, but they persevered and supported each other every step of the way. Suddenly, Chiku fell into a hidden pit in the sand, and his friends were frightened, but Chiku reassured them, "Don't be afraid, we're together, and we'll get through this." Mimi threw a rope, Toto strengthened the soil, Piku guided from above, and together they pulled Chiku out of the pit, relieved and grateful for their teamwork and quick thinking. After a while, the compass started glowing rapidly, and they reached a large golden dune, where Chiku began to dig with his small paws, uncovering a hidden entrance to a mysterious cave. As Chiku dug deeper, an old crystal door appeared beneath the sand, and the friends gathered around, curious and eager to see what secrets the door might hold. The door opened, revealing a glittering cave filled with thousands of sparkling water crystals that supplied water to the entire desert, a truly breathtaking and awe-inspiring sight. Chiku smiled and said, "The real treasure is what makes life easier for everyone, and this cave is a true treasure, a gift to our desert home and all its inhabitants." The friends explored the cave, learning about the importance of water and the delicate balance of the desert ecosystem, and how they could help protect it. As they made their way back to the oasis, the friends reflected on their amazing adventure and the valuable lessons they had learned about teamwork, perseverance, and the importance of preserving their desert home. From that day on, Chiku and his friends became heroes of the desert, known for their bravery, curiosity, and dedication to protecting their environment and preserving the beauty of the desert. The friends continued to explore the desert, discovering new wonders and facing new challenges, but always remembering the lessons they learned on their epic adventure to the hidden cave. And Chiku never forgot the magical compass that had led him to the treasure, a reminder of the power of curiosity and the importance of following his heart and exploring the unknown. The story of Chiku and his friends serves as a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, we can find treasure and make a difference, and that together, we can overcome any challenge and achieve great things. And so, Chiku's desert adventure came to an end, but the lessons he learned and the memories he made will stay with him forever, a reminder of the power of friendship, curiosity, and determination.